Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
You are appearing for NIACL.
Yes, sir.
Your date of interview is 25th March, na?
Yes, sir.
Which place?
New Delhi.
New Delhi. Acha, you are living in which place?
So Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh.
अच्छा क्यों इधर से उधर जाना पड़ेगा
Yes,
लखनऊ
sir.
से? अरे भाई बाकी सब इंटरव्यू तो आपको लखनऊ में ही हो जाते हैं लेकिन
Yes, sir.
they are calling you to that place. Okay. NIA, New India Assurance Company.
New Indian. Yes, sir.
Good. 1 minute. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Please tell about yourself. आपका बारे में बताइए.
Sir, I live in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I have done my graduation from National PG College and my post-graduation from Lucknow University. And I have done, during my post-graduation, I did internship in NIASDS. Yes. And there are 6 members in my family: my mother, father, 2 sisters, and 1 brother.
You did internship in which place?
Sir, in Lucknow only, it was an NGO.
NGO. So what were they doing?
So it was basically data analysis. We have done a survey, and on that I am a statistics student, so we have done data analysis in that.
Oh, good. So, is statistics useful for day-to-day life?
Yes, sir. We are not aware of it, but we usually use statistic in our day-to-day life. Like in everything we use, not numerically, but we analyze the risk of investing in anything or buying anything in any way. We use it in our day-to-day life.
Good. Now, what makes you think that this job is more suitable for you?
So, like NIACL, so it is an administrative officer job. I think the officer needs to be calm, polite, honest, and dedicated towards his work and duties. And I feel I have all those qualities in me.
Good. What is your father?
So my father is an accountant in a private bank.
Mother?
The mother is a housewife.
How many siblings do you have?
So 3, 2 sisters and 1 brother.
Oh, 2 sisters and 1 brother. What is your brother doing?
So he is pursuing for BSc Nautical Science.
Very good. Good. Which year did you complete your degree?
So MSc in 2020. 2020.
Only 2020. Good.
Yes, sir.
So how do you keep yourself busy all day long?
So apart from helping my mother in household work, I give my time, dedicate most of my time in studies. And since pandemic started, and from that time, I used to dedicate most of my time to in studies and taking online classes and keeping myself busy.
You're attending online classes conducted by which institutes?
Sir, mostly YouTube and Unacademy.
Unacademy. Very good. Excellent. What is insurance?
Sir, insurance is basically, in simple language, we can say transfer of risk to someone who is capable of handling it, like insurance companies.
Why do people take insurance?
So people Most commonly, people used to take health insurance and home insurance, and for the risk, those they might think that may occur uncertainly at a point when they are not fully prepared for it. So for that, they take the insurance.
Yeah, because insurance is taken because something unexpected happening, the damage is very high, and
Yes,
the family may not be able to bear it. In order to compensate that, we do take um,
insurance.
insurance. Yeah.
Yes.
So what is important for tomorrow? What is important event that is going to happen in India's political circle?
Sir, that election result will be declared.
Yeah, election results. Which states elections?
So Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab,
Mm.
Goa, and Manipur.
Mhm. But it seems today some results have come in Assam, some what is that? Municipal elections results also.
Sir,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
You saw that one?
Yes, sir. Not whole, but it.
Usme, I think our BJP has done very well.
Yes.
Did
Sir,
you see?
I haven't seen it yet.
You have not seen that.
I usually watch television during with late night with my parents.
Mm. Good. That your parents also watch news every day.
Yes, sir. My father watches it daily.
Very good. Apart from news, what are the other programs you are interested in TV?
Sir, like not generally I watch television, but when I watch, I like to watch songs
Mm.
and some uh, that shows reality shows.
Acha, reality shows like songs or Big Boss.
Like dance shows.
Huh?
Dance shows I like to
Acha,
watch.
acha, acha, acha.
And
Good, 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 good. Bank shows you, I mean, dance you like very much. What about Big Boss? Hello,
sorry, sir.
Big Boss programs and all.
Oh, sir, Big Boss. Sir, I don't watch it too much.
You
I
don't,
haven't watched it.
you don't feel like you don't have, you are not happy about that. Good, no problem.
Yes.
Yeah. Um, Now, insurance. Tell me what you know about NIACL.
Sir, NICL is a largest general insurance, nationalized general insurance company in India, and it was founded by Sir Dorabji Tata in 23rd July 1919 and was nationalized in 1973. It has its headquarters in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and CEO of NIACL is Atul Sahay.
Good. What are the various types of insurance NIACL is offering?
Sir, health insurance,
Mm.
travel insurance,
Mm. Good.
motor insurance, rural insurance, and miscellaneous, in which that aviation insurance and crop insurance and etc. comes.
Mhm. Good. So, of these insurances, which one you are more thorough with? You have studied very well.
Sir, I have studied about health insurance most.
Acha, can you please tell me about health insurance?
Sir, in health insurance, that Pradhan Mantri, sorry, sir, uh, that Pradhan Mantri uh, Jeevan Jyoti Bima, that is included,
Mm.
in which annual premium is very low
Mm.
and approx rupees, I mean to say rupees 330 per
Mm.
annum, its premium, and it gives a maximum death benefit of rupees 2 lakh.
Mm. That is quite cheaper, you know. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That is one insurance. And next one?
Sir, Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima. Basically, it is an accidental death and disability cover. And in this age limit is 18 to 70 years, and its premium rate is rupees 12 per annum,
Mm.
and it gives accidental death cover or a permanent disability cover of rupees 2 lakh, and permanent partial disability of rupees 1 lakh.
No, but my question is now this PMJJBY, PMSBY is a LIC is giving or general insurance companies are giving? That is a doubt. Initially, it was started with the LIC. The scheme is being offered by Life Insurance Corporation of India, and all other life insurance were willing to offer the product on similar terms with the necessary approvals and tie-ups. But of course, this will not be a thing in which NIACL is interested, correct?
Yes,
Tell me, NIACL is not directly interested in PMJGBY, PMSBY because they have nothing else to do with this. So when you answer a question like this, you must
yes,
take up something like fire insurance, vehicle insurance. If you take medical insurance, then you should tell about mediclaim policies, not this way.
yes,
समझ गए आपको?
yes, sir.
What I am telling, are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Basically, these yojanas are under LIC and not under
And I don't think
other.
they are very much interested in
Yes,
these things.
yes,
Our
yes,
NIACL may not be that much interested in all these things, correct?
yes.
Good. Why should we select you? आप बताइए आपको क्यों प्रेफरेंस देके आपको लेना है? I think is this the second time we are talking?
Yes, sir.
ओहो, पहले बार कब बात की हम लोग?
The 1st March.
अरे भाई अभी अच्छा 1st March. So what was the feedback given by me? Did I tell you something that you need to?
Sir, confidence and to improve, build confidence and get deeper knowledge related.
अच्छा ठीक है. मार्क कुछ दिया नहीं दिया?
No, sir.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. अभी बताइए. Now what was the question? I was more concentrating on
So
NIACL.
you asked.
Pardon?
So you asked why I'm suitable for this. Why I
very
think.
yeah, very good question. बताइए. Yeah.
Sir,
Acha,
as an yes, sir.
1 minute. Hold on. Some
Yes, sir.
relatives call is coming. Please hold on.
Yes.
Hello.
ஹலோ
Ah,
சிவன் எப்படி இருக்க
நல்லா இருக்கேன் மாமி, சொல்லுங்க. ம்.
ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சு
ஆ,
பிஸியா இருக்கியோ
ஆ,
பேச
ஆமா நான் ஒரு இன்டர்வியூல இருக்கேன். நான் இது ஒரு 20 மினிட்ஸ் ஓடும். அதுக்கப்புறம் பேசலாமா உங்ககிட்ட மாமி?
சரி நான் பேசேன்
இல்ல 10:30 மணி. உங்களுக்கு எத்தனை மணி இருக்கும் அப்ப? இப்ப 8
வந்து எனக்கு வந்து
8:45 ஆயிடுச்சா? சரி. சரி, நான் ஒரு 9:15 9:30 9:20 கூப்பிட்டுமா ப்ளீஸ்?
நானே கூப்பிட்டேன்
சரி.
தெரிஞ்சவன் ஒருத்தர் வந்திருக்காரு அவனோட பேசுறேன்
அப்படியா? யார் வந்திருக்கா?
பேசுறேன் இப்ப பேசிட்டேன் 15 நிமிஷம் பேசுறேன் அப்புறமா
ஆ,
பேசிட்டேன்
சரி நான் சொல்றேன்.
ஹலோ சாம்பு
ஹலோ புவனேஸ்வரி.
Yes.
நான் இன்னைக்கு தான் வந்திருக்கேன்
அச்சா, வெரி குட். ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். இன்னைக்கு தான் வந்தியா? வெரி குட். ஆமா, இங்க அங்க போக முடியல, அங்கேன்னு வர முடியல, அதனால வெரி குட். ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். நைஸ் காலிங்.
எங்களுக்கு ஓபன் பண்ணிட்டாலே.
ஆமாமா. இப்ப it is open freely.
எங்க ஊர் ஓபன் பண்ணிட்டான், அதனால சரி we thought we'll come.
Good,
ஒரு
good.
short visit தான், 3 weeks, less than 3 weeks.
3 weeks, very good. All the best. நாம்
Okay.
இல்ல அனுமார் கோவில் போ, எனக்காக சேர்த்து வேண்டிக்கோ.
அப்புறம் இங்க கபாலீஸ்வரர் கோயில் போயிட்டு
அதான் சரி, கபாலீஸ்வரர் கோயில் போயிட்டியோனா ரைட், அது ஓகே, அது ஒண்ணு அவ்வளவுதான். அப்புறம் எதற்கு அப்பர் சாமி கோவில்?
அதுவும் போவேன்.
அது போகும்போது அங்கே வேண்டி.
சாமி and ஆஞ்சநேயர்.
ஆமா, அதே வேண்டிக்கோ. ஆமா ஆமா, அதுதான். ஏன்னா அதுதான் நமக்கு ரொம்ப தெரிஞ்ச காட்ஸ். அதனால
நம்மளோட ரெகுலர் காட்ஸ்.
ஆமா ஆமா, ஓகே. ஆமா, இப்ப ஒண்ணு இல்ல, ஒரு ஆமா, பிள்ளைக்கு இன்டர்வியூ எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன். ஏதோ ஒரு லக்னோல இருக்கு. ஆமா, போயிட்டு நான் அப்புறம் கூப்பிடுறேன், நாளைக்கு கூப்பிடுறேன். தேங்க்யூ.
ஓகே மேடம், நாளைக்கு பேசலாம்.
தேங்க்யூ, பாய். Hello.
Hello.
Sorry, some relatives call came, that's why I was busy talking to them.
Okay.
No problem. अच्छा जी, हमने क्वेश्चन एक पूछा था आपसे, हम क्यों आपको प्रेफरेंस देके लेना है?
Yes, sir.
बताइए।
Sir,
आप हिंदी
as
में भी बोल
I
सकते हैं, अंग्रेजी में भी बोल सकते हैं. In
Yes,
which
sir.
are you more comfortable?
Sir, I'm comfortable in both.
Super. Good. बताइए.
Sir, as I'm applying for administrative officer post, I think as an officer, the person managing सिंपली एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर की पोस्ट के लिए जो पर्सन अप्लाई कर रहा है उसको सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड होना चाहिए. he should be he should be having a positive attitude, and apart from all this he should be having a leadership skill, and have he should not only motivate himself but also his colleagues with whom he is working. So I think I am a self motivated person. I have positive attitude towards life and work both. So I would.
So I am eligible to be selected.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
ये थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस से बोलो, थोड़ा कम कॉन्फिडेंस है, थोड़ा आप ऐसा बोल सकते हैं, आई एम अ क्विक लर्नर, आई एम अ हार्ड वर्किंग पर्सन, I enjoy more work and I take up responsibilities. I am a team player. I also possess leadership styles. And whatever I do it with my full involvement and commitment and achieve full results.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
So, so this is what it is. You have to tell it that way.
Yes, sir. So I will
Now try.
repeat it.
Try it in English.
Sir, I have to repeat those.
Yeah.
Sir, I am a self-motivated person. I am a keen learner. I believe in I believe in motivating not only myself but also also the people around me, and I enjoy working, and not only enjoy but also do full research over the work I do, and so I think I am eligible for the post.
Very good. Good. Nice. You told confidently this is what is needed. What is your father?
So my father is accountant.
अच्छा, accountant का job क्या है?
So he basically maintains accounts, and that every entry, and he collects cash and maintain records of it, and at the end of the day he had to total it the sum and give the whole review about what the money is collected on that particular day.
He is working for which company?
So Chartered Mercantile Bank.
Chartered Mercantile Bank.
Yes, sir. So
ऐसा
it's NBFC.
अच्छा ऐसा बोलो NBFC. अच्छा, tell me
Yes.
what is NBFC?
So it is a non-banking financial companies.
Hmm. What is the difference
Uh,
between non-banking finance company and bank?
So basically, NBFC cannot issue self-drawn checks and demand drafts.
Hmm.
Um, and while banks can issue it, and the demand drafts also, and checks also.
Hmm.
One major difference is this.
No. Actually, ज़्यादा पढ़ना है आप note कर लीजिए. Differences
Yes, sir.
between banks and NBFC ऐसा search कर दीजिए. अच्छा,
Yes.
हम search करके भी आपको देगा. This is a possible questions. They can
Yes.
ask you differences between banks and NBFCs. Hmm. Yeah. Now I'm giving the link to you.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. You are a member of which Telegram group of mine?
Sir, that SBI IBPS IT companies exam.
IT companies. उसमें दे
Yes,
दिया.
sir.
उसमें दे दिया हमने अभी. उसमें दे दिया.
Yes, sir. I
And
got it.
you got it. Very good.
Yes.
उसमें the points to be noted is that 1 minute. Yeah. Not that you will not read, फिर भी आप पढ़ना है, पढ़ के मन में रखना है. That
Yes,
is
sir.
first, without going through that, let me tell you briefly. NBFCs are registered under Companies Act.
Yes.
Banks are registered under Banking Regulation Act.
Yes.
NBFCs cannot accept demand deposits.
Yes.
So they are not members of payment systems, settlement systems.
Yes.
Banks can open savings bank account, current account. They can issue checks, and they are part and parcel of payment system.
Yes.
NBFCs can take fixed deposits or minimum 12 months, maximum 60 months.
Yes, sir.
Banks can take fixed deposits minimum 7 days, maximum 120 months.
Yes.
समझ गया? Then bank में in a FDI investment 74%. NBFC में maximum investment is 100%.
Yes.
Yeah, I have given you the link. This is very big. They have given you so many things. हम थोड़ा बोला है आपको.
Yes.
उसमें दिया है surface is applicable for both.
Yes.
CRAR is not applicable for. NBFC need not maintain SLR and CRR, whereas bank have to maintain SLR and
Yes.
CRR compulsory. इतना बोलने
Yes.
से भी हो जाएगा. अब एक बार का 2 बार पढ़ लो. ये तो
Yes.
very interesting question, especially because your daddy is working in NBFC.
NPS. Yes.
Good. Insurance का बारे में अभी I have been asking questions to you on various things. Let me go
Yes.
through. Have you gone through the materials I have given you?
Yes, sir.
You have studied. Good. What is your dream job?
Sir, I have dreamed to. So my dream job has been banking sector only, banking and insurance sector, and I also.
Don't tell banking. Insurance बोलो.
Yes, insurance sector.
बोलिए.
So my dream job has been insurance sector only, and I have been preparing for that since my post graduation.
Good. Excellent. How many siblings you have, you said?
So two sister and one brother.
What are they doing?
So my elder sister is married, and she's also preparing for exams. And my younger sister is in last year on BSc nursing, and my brother is pursuing for BSc nautical science.
Very good. Nice, nice. अच्छा हुआ. Now, अभी न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे हैं हम. आजकल का तरह में क्या न्यूज़ आपका मन में रखा है? Can you tell me some 5 or 6 news reports that you have read recently?
So one most common news is related to price hike of crude oils.
Very good. Good point. Good. The crude oil price has increased to how many dollars? How many rupees? How many dollars
Sir,
per barrel?
it has been up to $130 per barrel,
130, 140
and
भी
it
हो गया.
is expected to rise more.
140 भी हो गया. कई कई जगह पर देखा था हमने 140 भी हो गया. Good.
Yeah.
Very good. उसका वजह से what is the impact it will have on our living?
Sir, it will increase inflation, and the crude oil rates will hike, and that petrol prices and diesel prices will rise.
Hmm.
And apart from that, that most of the things that are made up of in which crude oils are used, the price of those will also rise.
Yeah. अभी see what is the effect of Russia Ukraine war? उसका बारे में क्या क्या effect हो रहा है? आपका मन में क्या लग रहा है? What are the things that stays in your mind?
Sir, economy will be affected in any ways. If a war will be held in anywhere in any part of the world, and since Russia is the second largest producer of crude oil, so it will क्रूड ऑयल हमारा ज्यादातर रशिया से ही नहीं इम्पोर्ट होता है, लेकिन फिर भी अगर थोड़ा सी भी इम्पैक्ट थोड़ा सी भी वहां से इम्पोर्ट टैक्सेस बढ़ते हैं, इम्पोर्ट प्राइसेस बढ़ते हैं, तो वो किसी भी तरह से हमारी इकोनॉमी को इम्पैक्ट करेगा ही करेगा. और इसके अलावा एनवायरमेंट इफेक्ट होगा.
Good.
And
No, but this point you could have told me that, because of this Russia-Ukraine war, United States has stopped import, not only United States, many other countries have stopped import of Russian oil from Russian oil. Not only
yes,
that,
sir.
many sanctions have been accorded on Russia.
Yes, sir.
And this is causing difficulties for Russia, and Russia will be reacting in a way that may be not beneficial for us. And because Russian oil import is stopped, the price of oil has gone up. And so the
Yes.
economy will be affected. Good,
Yes. Yes.
good, good. और कुछ पढ़ा है आपने?
So that insurance, that material you provided,
You have read that material that I have provided on, yeah. IRDA के बारे में कुछ बोलिए.
sir, IRDA is a regulatory body, and it's a task with regulating and licensing the insurance and reinsurance industries in India.
Super.
Its headquarters is in Hyderabad, Telangana, and it was formed in 1999. And presently, there is no chairman.
Good.
And it has 10 members, including chairman and 5 full-time members and 4 part-time members appointed. It was formed on the recommendation of Malhotra Committee in 1999.
Good. अच्छा पढ़ा है हम. Now tell me, what are the principles of insurance?
The principles of insurance.
ये तो आपको पेज नंबर 8 में दिया है, वो ऑलिव बोर्ड का मटेरियल में आपने पढ़ा होगा. प्रिंसिपल ऑफ
Yes, sir.
utmost good faith.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That principle of indemnity and principle of insurable interest.
इंश्योरेबल इंटरेस्ट का मतलब क्या है?
Sir, interest on sir. इंश्योरेबल इंटरेस्ट इज दैट इंटरेस्ट सर जिसमें जो पॉलिसी होल्डर होता है उसको बेनिफिट मिलता है उस सब्जेक्ट ऑफ मैटर के एग्जिस्टेंस पे.
Super. That is, yeah, wife can take a policy on husband can take a policy on
Yes,
wife,
sir. Right.
but you cannot take a policy on somebody else not related to
Yes.
you.
Yes,
Good point.
sir. And
Yeah, good point you told. Yeah, tell me. And now some more points are there, I didn't see that. Some more points.
principle of subrogation and principle of mitigation of loss. And there was some 2 or 3 more.
Principle
I
of
cannot
contribution. Principle of contribution.
Yes,
Principle
sir.
of casa maxima.
Yes.
इसका एक बार पढ़ लीजिए, बात फिर पढ़ के मन में रख लीजिए, ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good, you told nicely. Tell me about motor insurance. उसका बारे में क्या-क्या जानते हैं?
Sir, pardon please.
मोटर इंश्योरेंस के बारे में क्या-क्या पढ़ा है? मोटर
Motor insurance.
vehicle.
Yes, sir. Sir, in India, motor insurance is mandatory, and it includes car insurance, third-party insurance, and
comprehensive car insurance.
yes, sir, comprehensive car insurance. And
what are the damages covered? अच्छा, ये बात मन में रख लीजिए, कभी भी any question पूछने से उसका 7 W से आंसर करना है. What is it? Why is it? When is it? Where is it? How is it? Who is it? Like that. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
So, for example, अभी एक question क्या है? What is motor insurance? Why is motor insurance? Who will take motor insurance? Likewise, आप सबको explain करने से ठीक हो जाएगा.
Yes.
समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, Abhi, what are the risks covered under motor insurance?
So that terrorism act, earthquake, landslide, flood, storm, fire, in case of strikes.
Super, you know it. You know it. Very good. Now tell me, under which circumstances claim will not be settled?
Sir, that if the driver is under the influence of drug or any type of medicine, and vehicle is used for illegal activities,
Very good.
And he's not having a driving license, valid driving license, and if damage is caused outside India.
Very good. अच्छा, आपको ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस का बारे में कुछ बोल सकते हैं?
Sir, travel insurance basically it pays for financial liabilities जो कि मेडिकल या नॉन मेडिकल इमरजेंसीज के लिए होता है जब भी हम लोग अब्रॉड ट्रैवल कर रहे होते हैं या विद इन कंट्री ट्रैवल कर रहे होते हैं.
What are the things covered?
Loss of baggage, loss of passport, hijacking, and trip cancellation, and that emergency medical expense.
Mhm. Good. Mm. Delayed flights, some flights. Very good, very good. You are able to tell me correctly. Good, I am happy. This question I must ask. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Fasal Bima Yojana. Fasal Yojana. What is that? PM?
PM प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना.
हाँ, please उसका बारे में बोलिए.
Sir, it was launched in 2016, and under this premium rates are given
Acha.
for different variety of crops.
1 minute. Where do you stay? You are in Lucknow.
Yes, sir.
अभी क्या बिक्री करता है? कुछ बिक्री करके जाता है बाहर में.
सर वो सब्जी वाले आते हैं.
सब्जी वाले
तो
इतना रात में?
Yes, sir. Sir, वो 9 o'clock, 9:30, 9 o'clock till.
Oh, he comes late also. Very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Do you people buy from there or you go to the shops to buy?
No, sir, we buy from them.
Acha. Excellent. Good. Very good, very good. What is the have you heard about a scheme known as PM Swalamban scheme, Swanidhi scheme? उसका बारे में सुना है?
Yes.
Street vendors.
Yes, sir, sir, street vendors के लिए. 10,000, 10 or 15,000.
10,000 only. 10,000.
Yes, sir, 10,000.
10,000 only for prompt repayment, some concessions. And
Yes, sir.
very good. Correct, बता दिया. Where did I stop? Somewhere I stopped. You were talking.
Sir, फसल बीमा योजना.
हाँ, अच्छा, बोलो. Correct.
So it was launched in 2016, and premium rates are different for and categorized in under three, that kharif crop, rabi crop, and commercial and horticulture crop. For kharif crop, it is 2% of the sum assured. For rabi crop, it is 1.5%, and for horticulture and commercial, it is 5% of the sum assured.
Okay, good. Not bad. So you have been able to tell me more or less all the points. Now, can you tell me something about insurance ombudsman?
Sir, insurance ombudsman he is basically a authority which सर जो कि जब नॉर्मल कंप्लेंट्स रजिस्टर्स करते हैं हम लोग, तो जब हम इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज उन पे कोई एक्शन नहीं लेती हैं, तो दैट वी आर हम लोग उन कंप्लेंट्स को ऑम्बड्समैन के पास हम लोग दैट मतलब हम लोग ऑम्बड्समैन के पास कंप्लेन कर सकते हैं, और ऑम्बड्समैन बेसिकली वो डिस्प्यूट्स जो भी रहते हैं उनको सेटल करते हैं.
Good.
And
what is the maximum age of the people who are appointed as?
Sir, it is 65 years, or 3 years he is appointed, or till he attains the age of 65.
And is the reappointment permitted?
No, sir, he is not permitted for reappointment.
What are the functions of insurance ombudsman?
Sir, he delays in settlement of claims, and dispute over payables in a term of the policy, and dispute over legal constructions of the policy, and any matter that is resulting in violation of Insurance Act, provision of Insurance Act.
Very good.
Right.
What is the maximum damage that is given?
Sir, maximum damage 30 lakh.
Yeah. Ombudsman shall pass an award within a period of how many months from the receipt of complaint? 3 months.
Sir, 3 months. Yes, sir.
and the complaint must be lodged within 1 year.
1 years.
Good. Currently, 17 insurance ombudsman offices have been established all over India.
India. Yes, sir.
Who are actuaries?
Sir, actuaries are expertise in the field of mathematics, economics, and statistics who helps in risk assessment and estimation of premiums, etc. for an
Acha.
insurance
So you are also
company.
statistics, na?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. अच्छा हो गया. Arbitration का मतलब क्या है?
सर आर्बिट्रेशन बेसिकली एक प्रोसीजर होता है जिसमें दो पार्टीज जो होती हैं वो डिस्प्यूट सेटल कर देती हैं किसी थर्ड पार्टी की हेल्प से, जिसमें वो थर्ड पार्टी को हम लोग आर्बिट्रेटर कहते हैं.
Good. What is bank assurance?
The bank assurance in this insurance products are being sold through banks.
Hmm. Why banks are selling insurance products? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why banks are selling insurance products? उनको क्या फायदा है? कमीशन मिलेगा.
Yes, sir. Commission मिलता है उनके clients.
इनका कमीशन मिलता है, इसी वजह से तो वो
Yes.
बिक्री करता है.
Insurance. Yes, sir.
Very good. Have you heard of this term, key man insurance policy?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, key man insurance policies basically it is a life insurance policy taken by a person on a life of another person, who is his employer or connected to his business in any manner.
Correct. Now, example you can say, for example, Google company may take an insurance on Mr. Sundar
Sundar
Pichai.
Pichai. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
but yeah, good. You have told me all the things nicely. You are in Lucknow, and then
Yes, sir.
your daddy is what you said? Okay, accountant.
Accountant.
Accountant. Mummy,
Sir, housewife.
housewife. Good. Very good. So what is your dream job? तो बता दिया आपने. Now, supposing you get a job and join, and you are after marriage, they say you should not go for job. What you will do?
So I will obviously choose my job and I will try to manage both the things. But I won't leave my job because I have prepared for it and given so much of time and invested my so much of time for that position. And after getting that, I won't be leaving it.
Very good. What is subrogation?
Sir, subrogation is a term to describe legal rights the insurance company holds to legally pursue a third party that is responsible for the damage caused to the insured.
Very good. What is UPI?
Unit, sorry,
Unified Payment
sorry,
Interface.
Unified Payment Interface.
Why I'm asking about that? Because some news is coming about one more UPI 2 being introduced. कागज में कुछ पढ़ा है. Yeah.
Sir,
आप पढ़ लीजिए, बाद में देख लीजिए. NPI 2
yes, sir.
बोल के कुछ
Yes.
बोलता है. Very good. Excellent. Do you have any questions?
Sir,
You have answered well,
I want to know.
better than last time. Better
Yes.
than last time. Yeah, because you have developed your confidence. So better. Good. Now, any doubts होगा तो पूछिए.
Sir, doubts, sir, I want reviews and more improvement. How can I do?
No, actually, I have no negative comments to you because you have been answering the questions correctly. And I have asked from variety of areas, but
Yes, sir.
you have been able to tell me. But if you want, I can test you something more. What is grace period?
So grace period is given to when a person is not able to pay its premium on time. So a grace period of 10 to 15 days is given for him to pay that premium without any penalty.
But you should use the word due date. If he is
Yes,
not
sir.
able to pay by due date, ये word
Due
बोला.
date. Yes.
ठीक है.
Yes.
Moral hazard का मतलब क्या है?
Sir, moral hazard is the risk factor that affects the decision of the insurance company whether to accept the risk or not.
Super. Surrender value.
The surrender value is the amount, lump sum amount that is paid to the insured in case he is terminating the policy.
Is surrendering the policy.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Before the maturity period.
What is
Yes.
this new one? I am unearned premium. ये क्या है?
Sir, it is a part of that overall premium which is collected by insurance company beforehand.
And
Or,
the period has not expired.
Yes, sir.
Insurance repository. सुना है?
Sir, yes, sir.
कुछ नाम बताइए इंश्योरेंस repository.
Sir, NSDL, Database Management Limited, CDSL, Insurance Repositories, and CAMS Repository Service Limited, and Carvi Insurance Repository.
Super. What is ESIC? Minimum
ESIC employees.
prescribed wage limit of an employee by the central government क्या है? कितना हजार का?
21,000.
Super. ECGC expansion क्या है?
Sir, it was basically set up in 1957. Its objective was to promote export from the country and providing credit risk insurance and related services for export.
It is under Ministry of Commerce.
Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Yes.
Expansion Export Credit Guarantee Corporation.
Yes, sir.
Expand DICGC.
Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation.
Abhi,
it is
how much insurance is guaranteed?
5 lakh.
Correct. इसमें गलत से 1 lakh दिया है. It is now 5 lakhs. Yeah.
Yes.
Good. Where is National Insurance Academy?
Sir, Pune, Maharashtra.
Good. MPCI का expansion क्या है? MPCI सुना है? Multi Peril Crop Insurance.
No, sir.
Yeah. ठीक है. More or less, you have been answering all my questions. I appreciate you. एक कुछ दिया है इधर, प्रधानमंत्री जन आरोग्य योजना, इसका बारे में सुना है? वो क्या है?
Yes, sir.
हम तो किसी को पूछा नहीं ये वाला, बोलिए.
प्रधानमंत्री जन आरोग्य योजना.
2018.
सर, यस सर, 2018 में लॉन्च हुआ था. हेल्थ कवरेज था 5 लाख अप टू 5 लाख का पर फैमिली पर ईयर फॉर सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शरी हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन. और इसमें प्रीमियम्स का रेशियो डिवाइडेड रहता है सेंटर और स्टेट्स के बिहाफ में. तो इट इज 60-40 रेशियो. एंड और कुछ नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स और 3 हिमालयन स्टेट्स में ये रेशियो 90-10 है. और यूटीज के केसेस में जो सेंट्रल कंट्रीब्यूशन है 100% है विदाउट लेजिस्लेचर वाले यूटीज में. एंड विथ लेजिस्लेचर वाले में 60-40 का रेशियो है सेंट्रल स्टेट्स का.
अच्छा. Which is the union territory without legislature? ऐसा कुछ है?
Sir, with legislature Puducherry and Delhi hai. And apart from that,
Others,
Jammu Kashmir and
Andaman,
Ladakh and all.
Andaman,
Yes.
Nicobar Islands and all that.
Yes.
Good. Super, super, super. You have covered all the questions. Do you have any questions? You are answering
Sir,
very well, no problem. Um, what is ATC income tax benefit? What is that? Have you heard
sorry.
about ATC income tax benefit? सुना है? इनकम टैक्स पेमेंट
Sir,
करने वाला ये इंश्योरेंस स्कीम में पैसा जमा देने से that amount can be reduced from income
yes.
so that the benefit they will save income tax. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
That is given in respect of Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. It is also available for other life insurance policies and all. Maximum is 1,50,000.
Yes.
Correct. Good. Do you have any other questions? Otherwise, you have answered today very better than last time. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you happy or are you not happy?
Sir, I'm not very happy, but I'm satisfied. I want to improve more.
Yeah, you have to improve. You have to study something more because ज़्यादा पढ़ सकते हैं and current affairs में थोड़ा और भी पढ़.
Yes, sir.
Current affair पूछ सकते हैं current affair से?
Sir, that current affairs I am studying, but I am. So you can ask if I will be able to answer. I will for sure.
अच्छा. Current का देखते हैं. Which state government has recently announced Matru Shakti Uday Mita scheme? Matru Shakti Uday Mita scheme. Haryana government.
Yes.
Similarly, Ama Yojana Bhagini scheme is introduced by
Sir, Uttarakhand.
Sikkim state government.
Oh, Sikkim.
HDFC Mutual Fund launches Lakshmi for Lakshmi, some new scheme. हाँ ये तो बोला है आपको. RBI launches UPI 123 Pay for feature phones and Digi Sathi 2022. नया वाला
Yes.
कुछ नया वाला today's news.
Yes, sir. I will look.
Yeah, RBI releases booklet on modus operandi on financial frauds.
Yes.
Zeta partnered with MasterCard to power banks' credit processing.
Yes.
Then Freedom of the World 2022 report, India ranked partly free.
Yes.
That means they are not fully happy. President Kovind presents Nari Shakti Puraskar for 2020-21. That is
Yes,
women
sir.
for women.
That on Women's Day.
For Women's Day. When was Women's Day celebrated?
Sir, 8th March.
8th March. Good. Excellent. कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछना है आपको? Otherwise, I am happy that you have answered well.
Thank you, sir.
कुछ क्या पूछेगा? What can I ask you? अच्छा, Lucknow, you are residing in Lucknow?
Yes, sir.
Lucknow में visiting places, important visiting places बताइए.
Sir, Asia's largest park and is Ganesha Mishra Park in Lucknow. And botanical garden, largest botanical garden is Hazratganj is there. And Imam Bada, Rumi Gate, and river front.
गुड, एक्सेलेंट। लखनऊ। अच्छा जी, आपको रिजल्ट आने वाला कल है?
Yes sir.
हाँ, आपका असेंबली का रिजल्ट।
Yes sir.
आप लोग वोट किया है नहीं किया है?
Yes sir.
गुड। अभी एग्जिट रिपोर्ट में क्या आता है? कंफ्यूजन आता है।
सर वो बेसिकली एक वो देते हैं कि आंकड़े देते हैं, अपना प्रेडिक्शन देते हैं।
वो लोग क्या दोनों तरफ है ना क्या? सम पीपल से यूपी बीजेपी विल बी कमिंग, सम से बीजेपी विल नॉट बी कमिंग। टाइम्स नाउ में क्या बोला है?
सर बीजेपी के चांसेस बोले जा रहे हैं।
अच्छा, बीजेपी की चांसेस नहीं बोल के किसी न्यूज रिपोर्ट बोलते हैं? नहीं
सर मोस्टली जगह पे बीजेपी ही बोल रहे हैं, एंड सपा के प्रेडिक्शंस भी हो रहे हैं, बट मैक्सिमम है कि बीजेपी।
अच्छा, ठीक है। लेट अस होप फॉर द बेस्ट।
यस
थैंक
सर।
यू, बेस्ट विशेस। कुछ
थैंक
anything else? You did well, comparatively better.
यू सर।
Today I will give you 8 marks out of 10.
थैंक यू सर।
8
सर
marks.
आई कैन अप्लाई फॉर नेक्स्ट राउंड आल्सो, मतलब
When
फॉर
when
अनदर।
when do you want to come? Tell me. I am very free nowadays. आजकल हमारा बिजी नहीं है। आप कब
यस सर।
चाहिए बताइए। आपको only 25th ना?
यस सर।
Hmm, okay. When do you want to
सर
take it? When do you want to take it?
it will be a busy schedule because of Holi.
आप प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए, हमारा कोई तकलीफ नहीं।
Sir, on 20 we can keep.
नो प्रॉब्लम। एक मिनट। होली कब होली है?
Sir, 18th.
ओ बाबा, होली मीन्स I am
Sir,
reminded.
that
I am reminded of that Sholay song. You know Sholay?
the movie of Amitabh
movie,
Bachchan.
movie. Sholay. You know how nice.
Yes, sir. Holi के दिन.
होली के बीच में
Yes, sir.
That's a very good. 1 minute. एक मिनट ठहरो ना। I know it is थोड़ा out of the portion है, फिर भी I'm mad after that song.
So
शोले।
that Holi के दिन रंग खिल खिल जाते हैं.
Correct, correct. होली के दिन। One minute. Either it comes in our what is that? शोले होली के, हाँ शोले होली song. Correct. होली के दिन।
रंग खिल खिल जाते हैं.
Correct.
Yes.
I can't play more than that because they will object. Copyright,
Yes.
वगैरह वगैरह.
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, good. Thank you so much. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
You've done well. A happy
Thank you.
Holi. Then I will note for you on which date you said 20.
20th March.
1 minute. 20th March. Same, say around.
Yes.
Say कितना बजे? 7:38.
Yes, sir.
7:30 डालेगा?
Yes, sir.
Today. Okay, and 1 minute. आप एक बार हमको व्हाट्सएप में मैसेज भी भेज दीजिए कंफर्म करके।
Yes.
अभी भेज दीजिए so that I can note your number. I don't want to ask your number over phone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Hello.